We got a 2024 Volkswagen Jetta. I'm going to show you how to remove this door panel right here. So the first thing we're going to do is get a 10mm wrench. And up here, you're going to turn this until it's lined up with the hole. So I turn that one, there's one over here as well. From there, you'll be able to move this piece this way. So it goes into the hole so you can pry this bottom piece off. Next, right here, Torx, we're gonna remove this. So this Torx right here is a 30. So after that, we're gonna pop this piece off. I just put a flathead screwdriver in here and then pop that off to start. And then there's another 30 right there. So after you remove that, you're gonna grab down here, probably where this is, and just pull it. And that's gonna pop the clips off. You may have to pull it pretty hard. I already did it because I can't film while pulling it. But you're just gonna work your way up, slowly pulling these very carefully. And then once you pull them all off, you're just gonna lift it up like that. Come over here. There's the speaker right there if you need to replace it, the door module, the window regulator motor, and other things as well. But that's how you remove the door panel. And you can just remove this as well if you want to leave the wiring harness on there. It's probably the best thing to do. So to remove this, you just press down on this magenta tab until it comes out.